Hello YouTube gardeners. Super excited. We're getting some winter weather in Southern California. You can see I still have the frost cloths up, but the exciting news is we're getting a lot of snowpack in our mountains, which will help our drought situation that we face every year. So very excited about that. Heard that we got something like 6 feet in the Sierra Mountains. So that's super great, much needed. You can see what the frost has done to my bougainvillea. It's just burnt. So got lots of pruning to do on this guy. And today I'm super excited to add this weeping Santa Rosa plum to the food that we're growing here on the property. We have a burgundy plum growing in the front yard, and this location, it's really small, but this is the perfect tree for this location. It's a dwarf weeping Santa Rosa plum, so I'm going to be able to keep it at about 8 foot high. I'm going to keep the back branches completely pruned. So you've seen how you could grow fruit trees kind of on a trellising method. It's going to be the same concept here because I have the wall in the back that's pretty close. So I'm just going to leave all of the branches that are shooting off to the side and the front and let the plums grow off of those. Make sure that I'm pruning any back branches and just keeping it dwarfed and small, and it'll be perfect for this section of the garden. I got this beauty from Trees of Antiquity. They're really awesome. They have a huge selection of delicious fruit trees that they offer, and the price was perfect and it delivered to my door. Over here I have an apple tree, and it's grafted with 4 different types of apples. It's wrapped up. You could see that I've got lots of apple blossoms, and I just don't want to lose any, so I went ahead and wrapped it up, and they're doing really well. And a Fuji apple here. You can see this is a brand new baby tree. I love this shape. It's going to be so beautiful right here. We have a citrus salad. It's got oranges, lemonade, the pink lemonade lemons, a couple different types of oranges. The lime graft didn't take, so got a brand new apricot here. This is a late season apricot, and you can see that's a new tree. And then I have this apricot. It's a couple years old, so we should get lots of fruit off of this guy this year. Over here is a nectarine. We got hundreds of nectarines last year. Such a beautiful tree. I'm shaping it in the shape of a goblet. I watched a video from an orchard that prunes, how they prune their trees and their techniques, and I did that. They basically shape it in the shape of a goblet, and then any branches that are facing inward they remove when they prune it for maximum airflow, and it works so great. This tree just had such a high yield last year. So excited to see how it does this year. I have a brand new cherry tree. This is a self-fertile Bing cherry. At my old property I had 2 cherry trees and was stoked to find this one that's self-pollinating. So this way we could just have 1 cherry tree. Got some grapevines in the back. Got a mango that is just getting killed by the frost. We were gonna wait to plant it, and we were having such warm weather. We went ahead and planted it, but that was a mistake. So we'll see how it does, if it survives. And we have some kiwi vines. They're new. We just got them in at the end of the summer, actually in the fall. So here is a meter, and this is the pollinator kiwi, and then over here is the Anna. So it's going to be super fun to have kiwis growing up on this fence line. Got some very baby goji bushes here. Got the beautiful moo. Moo, you are so pretty. Here's a sweet Liberty goji bush. It's hard to even see, it's just blending in the background of the wood chips. We've got, what is this guy doing? Charlie is using, oh, he's using our bush as a claw sharpening, teeth sharpening tool. Hey, hey Char, you're having a good day, huh? Yes, yes, I love you. We have lots of citrus growing on the property. This is a lime. We have a grapefruit, blood orange, tangelo, lemon, and we have some raspberries, blueberries, boysenberries, blackberries, and strawberries growing everywhere. Here are a couple banana trees, and my husband just made this beautiful container, and this is going to have cucamelons in it. Got a pineapple bush over there, and we have lots of grapevines also growing. We've got one here that's going to cover this wall, and we've got one over there that's going to cover the fence. Got one in the front yard and a couple on the hill. Alright, so back to the dwarfed weeping Santa Rosa plum. And it's time to get this guy in the ground. What I'm going to do first is soak the roots for a couple of hours. Make sure that none of the wood chips or anything that it's packaged in, there's sawdust and wood chips and stuff, make sure that that's all removed. Soak the roots and then get this soil amended. I'm going to be putting lots of Dr. Earth in it, lots of compost. I'm going to add some worm castings and some biochar, and then I'll get it planted, and then I'm going to prune it back quite a bit. It's already been pruned back quite a bit recently, but I'm going to go ahead and take several inches off of the branches to promote growth. Alright, so I'm going to get started, and I'll speed up the video and make notes as I go along. Hope you enjoy your weekend and enjoy your garden.